I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man? What's going on, my guy? What you got running on in here? I got 4 Skar VFX 15s on 2 Smart 3Ks. We just metered, did a 157 flat on 3,000 RMS.
prophecy. I got loyalty, got royalty. This is why I say that.
Demo, man. I said 4 song demos, two of them back to back.
Always.
Yes,
always.
sir. Where can I find you on social media, man?
Find me on Facebook.
What's the handle on there? Like your name on there?
Find me on Facebook, Corey Sanders. We got a group called Broke Boys Audio. You're more than welcome to look us up. We have shows about twice a month over the Arkansas and Oklahoma area. And if you want a show somewhere near you, just holler at us and we'll make it happen.
Man, I'm gonna try to tag them down below in the video. Yeah, man, keep in touch, man. I'll just show some of y'all shows and stuff, man.
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Yeah, well, then appreciate it,
see
bro.
the amps and all that?
Yeah, let me check that out. YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.